Guys, welcome back to my channel. So my name is Pauline. If you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe, like, and share my videos, and don't forget to leave a comment down below. So in today's videos, I am super excited, and we are going to be making cassava leaf today. So this is a traditional and a faster way we cook in Liberia, and today's videos were highly requested, and shout out to all my subscribers, and I love you so much from the bottom of my heart. So I'm gonna show you the logo and the faster way we cook in Liberia. So right now we are on our way to the market, and today is Saturday, so this food gonna be for Sunday morning because we gotta go to church on Sunday. And on our way to the market, we found a coconut guy, and it gets so hot, so I'm dehydrated. I need some water, and I need some coconut water. So we bought coconut for everybody, and I'm just trying to drink this coconut water so I can come back to myself. So we are finally in the market, and now we can get water green. So if you know water green and cassava is good. And so this is a cassava from my neighbor. We asked him, and he said we should get some cassava. So this is a fresh cassava leaf, and we're gonna blend the cassava leaf ourselves. Okay, so we trying to get the cassava, and after getting the cassava, we're gonna blend the cassava. And I am so sorry I didn't show you where when we were blending the cassava because my battery was dead, and I just couldn't show you when we're blending the cassava. But yeah, so this is me and my aunt trying to make the fire, and we put the charcoal on the copper, and we put fire in there, and that's the water for the rice, and we just gonna let the fire get large. And we got the water in the pot. We're gonna let the water boil, and after the water boiling, we're gonna put the rice in it. So then that's me, and I am so super excited. I'm in the kitchen today. I cannot wait to bring you what I got. Okay, so and I'm just happy that I got to cook for everybody, and we gotta not by myself, but I'm just so happy that we gotta cook for everybody, and I'm just excited. Okay, so whenever I go to Africa, this is my goal, to cook and let the people eat. It's amazing, and I'm happy to be a part of it. It's gonna get a little bit of click, not everything, because it's so much going on. And one thing again, it's a teamwork, and everybody in the kitchen helping out. So that's one good thing I like about this. Some people getting the pepper, some people getting the fish, some people getting a lot of stuff. So it's amazing. The thing we're doing here is traditional. Okay, so this is a traditional way of cooking in Liberia. My aunt bought this fish. She parboiled the fish, everything, and she trying to get the bone out from it because you don't want to be eating and get choked while eating the food. So, and she gonna take her time. That's the cassava. This is where we are with the cassava. My aunt taking her time to put the fish in the soup and make sure there's no bone in there. I don't know why she putting her hand in that hot food, but hey, and she gonna make sure there's no bone in it. But I know that big piece is mine. I'm excited, and she gonna take her time to make sure that. But that's the key we're gonna be cooking. That's the real oil we're gonna be cooking. So like for us, we don't like cassava tabagi. We like it real oil. And my aunt put everything in the soup, and that's the soup that is boiling, but you can still see water in it. So we just gonna leave it on for probably like 30 minutes, and all the water gonna dry. Just gonna be with the oil and the soup and the meat. Okay, and you baby, this looking good, and I'm just so super excited. So this is the rice. We are about to wash the rice and put the rice in the water, and the water is boiling. So that means it's telling you that I'm ready rice, I'm ready. Okay, so this is the rice. So she is washing the rice, and after washing the rice, that we wash the rice for the dirt or for the white water to come out. That's the reason why we wash the rice, because they are like like the process making the rice, and sometimes it's not easy, so we just gotta wash and get some of the dirt off from it. And also she gonna be taking her time to put the rice in the water because this is already super hot. This is a hot water, and she just gotta take her time. She gotta be careful while she's doing that. And the hot water kind of flashing back, and I'm just okay, you gotta hold on. But anyway, the soup is on the other side, and the rice is on the other side, and she's doing a really great job. And my aunt about to start stirring the rice. She is stirring the rice so they don't stick together while she's doing that. It's just like when you're doing a smoothie, but she is stirring the rice so it don't stick together, and she's cooking. So this is the rice. This is where we are now, and she is stirring this food. She is sharing the food. She put the food in a big bowl and just keep it in, so whoever want to eat, you just go and get, get whatever you can eat for the day, because today is Sunday morning, it's still early. And that's how she do it, and I'm just happy the way she do it. Like she gonna make it look like a cake. Look, like she gonna pound it like that, make it look decent, make it look nice in a bowl. And she's doing that, and I like the way she do it. So I'm gonna take this style from her. So that's the rice, and she's still gonna make sure everybody eat. Everybody gotta eat, and that's it. Whenever I'm in the kitchen, I like to eat the crust. So I always ask my aunt to give me a crust. That's what I like to eat. But this is the food, and this is the finishing look. So shout out to all my subscribers. And this food is delicious. Okay, if you haven't tried cassava leaf, make sure you try cassava leaf. You're gonna love it. It is good. Okay, it is really, really delicious. So this is the video, and I hope you like it, and I am so excited. So let me know if you want to see more of these when I'm in Africa. I'm always waiting to do whatever you want me to do as my subscriber. And yeah, I love y'all, and I will see you guys in my next video. And stay safe, okay? Be safe. Make sure you eat good, and make sure you be healthy.